Let's roll the matter with the more today to the botanic and Nestor start. Oh, this is a nice day. The nicest day. Oh, stop! Stop! Oh man, stop! I said stop! Oh man. Another door! No! Oh man. Another! I did! What did you do, Thomas? Oh man. What? Oh yes, it's a big garden. Nuts. Oh, let's just write that. Help! Oh no! Oh, we did it. Oh man. Are you okay? You are on fire! You are fire! You are on fire! You made a fire! It's a fire. Huh? Why are you jumping? Turn off. Turn off. Done. Done. Whoa, 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 whoa! What are you doing? I got burden! That sound is so creepy. I said... What is he doing? Yeah, sorry, Thomas, sorry, Thomas. I'm just saying... But it... Yes. It's so fine. I found for you. Oh, mate! And for fire, where it is? Where did it go? I think it's falling down. I think it's falling. No, wait. Yeah, it is. How did it go? Where did it go though? It's on. I say it's down! We have to jump. Oh yeah, there it is. Oh man. My friend. No! I told you don't look like that. I said don't be see that. Thomas is my stupid and mind of is. I'm not split stupid on my Thomas. I hate my monster. The monster. You know, this stupid to see the tire. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Wait, you what? Why? Why you home? Go home. What are you doing? No one at home. Why are you home? I said, why are you home? What are you doing? Stop. Why are you down? Why? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? You're not doing anymore. Ha! Stop! I said stop! I said stop it! I said! Do you know what? Stop! Please! I turned the police. Hello? My name is Pizza. So, Thomas is the door, not. Is it doing though? We're stupid. Because this I see over there. And it's down here. Okay, I run away. Church, what you are doing? Sorry, Jordan. It's my Thomas stupid. I said, what are you doing? What? Oh yeah. What are you doing? No, I taught you. Don't not. I taught you. What are you doing? I said, don't worry, doing look like this. What are you doing? Ah! What the freak? It's my sister. Oh. Oh.
Oh my god.
No.
Super duper.
Hey!
Super duper.
The Thomas is stupid tiny jam!
Like, hey, see, I was trying to find some cosplays, so if there's any like events on our school, then actually, it's so cheap. My freaking god!
Hey, look at that, the Thomas!
Yeah, maybe I'll switch to Shopee then, cause it's like.
Thomas, what are you doing? Nice that blue.
Should I be riding Shogun?
Sir.
No. Should I be?
Hey, the sister, the Thomas is not you want doing it that way. Don't want the stupid that way.
I hope it's not.
No. No. I hate that. I hate you, Thomas. Face. Hey, hello. Oh man. What are you doing? No, I don't mice. I taught you. But hey, so bye. I hate my Thomas stupid guy.